Okay, let's go over bell work. Number 1 is super simple. What makes number 1 super simple, you guys? Denominators are the same, set up, ready to go. Add across the top. 4 over 5, no big deal. Number 2, more difficult. There's not a common denominator. So you got to put the work in. What's our common denominator on number 2? 6. Both of these numbers will divide into 6. So I will write 2 fractions with a 6 in and then go about changing them both. So how do I turn 2 into 6? What do I multiply it by? 3. So if I'm multiplying this bottom by 3, the top gets 3 as well. And 3 goes into 6 twice. So I'll have to multiply this top by 2 as well, making it 4. Now that I have a common denominator, I'll add across the top and get 7 over 6. And a lot of you like to write that as 1 1/6, and that's good. I'm going to keep my improper fraction. Number 3, subtraction. So much more difficult. Okay. 8 and 3. Sydney, what common denominator did you pick? 24. I think that's the least common denominator. So I'll write it out twice. If you can't think of a common denominator, you can always just multiply these together, and that'll give you a common denominator. It might not be the least common denominator, but it'll work. It'll get you to the right answer. All right, so how many times does 8 go into 24? 3. So I'm going to multiply 3 to the top and bottom. And how many times does 3 go into 24? 8. So I'll multiply 8 to the top and bottom. Oh, good. At least it's a nice subtraction. 9 minus 8. 1 over 24. Who got it right? Okay, very good. Very good, you guys. Number 4. 2/5 minus 3/4. Okay, I'm gonna call on you guys. What did you pick? Good job. So our common denominator with 5 and 4 will be 20. Very good. So what will we multiply our first fraction by to get it to look like a 24? Thank you. I can't tell who is talking out there because of these lovely face masks. What do we multiply our second fraction by? 5. Very good. You get 15. So now we have 10 minus 15. So if we start. Oh, well done, you guys. Sorry about that. Good call. Good call. So now how do we do 8 minus 15? We can picture the number line. Here we are at 0. Here we are 8. If you have to subtract, you have to move to the left. So we're going to end up over in the negative numbers. I'll get it. And we end up where, you guys? Negative 7. Very good. Number 5. Finally, we transition to multiplication, which is so much better with fractions, right? We're going to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Hi. Somebody just go. Yeah. Number 6, negative 3/4 times 3/8, negative 9/32. Any questions on bell work? All right, good job.